अगर आप खड़े हो तो आप बैठ जाइए कुर्सी पे, ये सुन के आप चौंकने वाले हो, which is the price point of this camera. Finally on my way to collect my camera. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another bunch of my days vlog. काफ़ी दिन हो गए इसे शूट किए हुए और the reason being कि you know usually I don't do a bunch of my days vlogs when I'm traveling क्योंकि दोनों करना possible नहीं होता और I have been traveling for quite some work trips. If you guys have been following me तो आपको पता होगा, but फिर second lockdown आ गया and because of that I've been home since I guess 2.5 or 3 months maybe. I don't know. It's just been really long और it's been a good time actually. So I wanted to come out here, finally make this vlog, bunch of my days vlog क्योंकि पहले जो दो मैंने बनाए थे you guys really liked that vlog and a lot of you came up to my Instagram saying कि और ऐसे vlogs बनाओ, you know. So for those of you who are new on my channel and do not know what bunch of my days is, basically it is 2-3-4 days mashed up together in a single vlog. Well, this is one of the many bunch of my days vlogs that I'm going to be making in the coming few days. और बिकॉज ये पहले वाला फिलहाल के लिए पहले वाला है, वैसे तो ये थर्ड वाला है, I wanted to do a little introduction as to because I've gained a lot of followers in the past few days and I wanted to let you guys know what bunch of my days vlogs really is. Alright, here's something very important. मैं जहाँ देख रही हूँ, जिससे आप लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ, this is a new camera, this is a new baby that has come home और इसको आके कुछ 3 या 4 दिन ही हुए हैं. I finally made you know the decision to buy a new camera that I've always wanted to vlog, especially ये vlogging के लिए ये कैमरा बना है. This is the Canon G7X Mark II and the reason for buying this specific camera was कि मुझे एक ऐसा कैमरा चाहिए था जो बहुत ही लाइट वेट हो, जो बहुत ही मतलब पॉकेट फ्रेंडली हो, ऐसे मैं क्विकली यू नो अपने बैग में डाल दूँ जब चाहिए या जब चाहे निकालूँ. बिकॉज ट्रैवलिंग के टाइम पे जब आप ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स बनाते हो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आपका जो इक्विपमेंट, आपका गेयर हो वो बहुत ही यू नो ईजी हो टू कैरी अराउंड एंड टू मैनूवर around. I know that a lot of travel vloggers who create cinematic videos do you know carry good, huge, big, heavy equipment, but they also have a team together, or if they're traveling solo they're probably making cinematic videos, which is different from creating vlogs. And my purpose of creating videos currently is making travel vlogs which are self-shot. तो अगर मैं खुद ही शूट करने वाली थी तो आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग विच वॉज वेरी ईजी टू कैरी, विच वॉज लाइट वेट, विच इज नॉट हैवी एंड विच वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, विच वॉज अ लिटिल इनएक्सपेंसिव, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट गेव मी ऑल द फीचर्स दैट आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर. जैसे कि एक फ्लिप स्क्रीन जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है अगर आप व्लॉग कर रहे हो तो आपको देखने के लिए कि आप फ्रेम में हो नहीं हो, if the lighting is fine, if everything is okay, if the aesthetic of the frame is fine. तो ये सारा देखने के लिए एक फ्लिप स्क्रीन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है जो इस कैमरा में है. और other than that it is an amazing camera. It is, I am literally like you know doing trials with it every single day since I bought it. It's just been like 3-4 days. लेकिन here's the catch, here's the hold yourselves to this. अगर आप खड़े हो तो आप बैठ जाइए कुर्सी पे, ये सुन के आप चौंकने वाले हो, which is the price point of this camera. Okay, so the market price of this camera, which is Canon G7X Mark II, is currently between 39,000 rupees to 41,000 rupees. ये fluctuate करते रहता है. It's somewhere between 39 and 41,000 rupees. Okay, this is the market price. तो आई वेंट इनटू अमेज़ॉन और मैं चेक कर रही थी क्योंकि मुझे कैमरा लेना था और मुझे अमेज़ॉन पे पहले टाइम जब मैंने चेक किया इट शोड मी 39,999 विच इज़ ऑल 40,000. तो आई सेड कि ओके चलो वेट करते हैं. एंड दिस व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू वाज अबाउट 2 months back. So I waited for about 4-5 days and I just randomly one day went on to Amazon to check and it was 37,000 at this point. Okay, so I realized कि इसका price काफ़ी fluctuate होते जा रहा है. So I kept checking again and again after 2 days, 3 days, and it kept fluctuating between 37, 38, 39, 40, 37. Between 37 से 40 के range में ये price fluctuate करते ही जा रहा था. Then one day, out of the blue, randomly, my husband was just checking something on his phone and he went to Flipkart and he said, "चल तेरा कैमरा इस पे देखते हैं." He opened it and it showed 29,000. we were mind blown. We were like 29,000 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. We checked all the specifications. We checked whether ये warranty card के साथ आएगा, etc. etc. We checked everything and it seemed very genuine. Okay, so at the same time, I went on to Amazon and I also went on to Flipkart to check the price. The same time when my husband was checking the price on his phone, and it just kept showing 39 between 39 and 40,000 on my phone, which was really really weird. Now he is a Flipkart Plus member, but still इतना बड़ा difference तो नहीं हो सकता. So we thought पता नहीं ये genuine product है नहीं है, what is it. Also another thing was कि ये कैमरा मैं चाहे किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म से मंगाती, Amazon से, Flipkart से, कहीं से भी, ये मुंबई में डिलीवर नहीं कर रहा था तभी at this point of time when I was checking. So the delivery was available everywhere in all the other states of India except for Mumbai. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं इसे डिलीवर करवाती हूँ गुजरात में, जहाँ पे मेरा एक फ्रेंड रहता है. ही एक्चुअली स्टेज इन मुंबई, लेकिन वो गुजरात में था उस टाइम पे, एंड ही वाज गोइंग टू कम बैक टू मुंबई इन अ फ्यू डेज इस टाइम. तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर इतना अच्छा प्राइस मिल रहा है और ये मेरा फ्रेंड भी उसी टाइम पे वहाँ पे है, तो आई माइट एज वेल टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, बाय इट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एट दिस प्राइस, क्योंकि ये प्राइस फ्लक्चुएट होते जाता है. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, maybe if I checked 2 days later it could have changed, and we took this as a sign and we said कि यार अगर ये मौका मिल रहा है तो फिर ये मौका ले लो. So we went ahead and we booked the camera, and another thing is that my husband also got 2 more offers. तो totally इस कैमरे पे 4 offers लगे. एक तो 12,000 का एक ऑफर था, which was हमें आज तक अभी तक नहीं पता कि वो किस चीज़ का ऑफर था. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ प्लस मेंबर, मे बी दैट्स वाई. एंड दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्लिपकार्ट. एंड उसके ऊपर ही हैड सम HSBC क्रेडिट कार्ड का डिस्काउंट एंड अनदर HSBC क्रेडिट कार्ड का डिस्काउंट इज वेल. सो ऑल दीज मैं एक स्क्रीनशॉट यहाँ पे ऐड कर रही हूँ फॉर यू टू बी एबल टू सी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट डिस्काउंट्स वी गॉट. दीज आर ऑल द डिस्काउंट्स दैट वी गॉट, एंड आफ्टर ऑल द डिस्काउंट्स फाइनली वी प्लेस दैट ऑर्डर टू गुजरात एट माई फ्रेंड्स प्लेस. एंड फिर मेरा फ्रेंड जब गुजरात से वापस आया तब he met me somewhere midway and got the camera. Just inserting a clip here when we were driving down to go and collect that camera from my friend, so you can check that out here first. Finally on my way to collect my camera, we are meeting my friend somewhere midway, जहाँ से वो कैमरा लेकर जाएगा. Has finally been acquired and we shall go home and take a look. So this is what the camera looks like, guys. It's very compact, as you can see. बहुत ही lightweight भी है, और इसमें ये फ्लिप स्क्रीन है जो मैंने आपको बोला था here, so you can see yourself while you are shooting or you're vlogging. and इसे मैं on quickly करती हूँ एक बार. So here, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool with like you know, with its focus as well. It focuses faces really really well. So yeah, that's that. And these are some basic functional buttons. Here there is a lever which is for all the different kinds of shooting modes that's available. यहाँ पे कुछ HDMI और HDMI केबल के लिए एक slot दिया हुआ है. You know, the good part is you can even charge this on the go with a USB charger on your power bank, which is I think really really cool. जब आपके पास plug point ना हो while traveling especially, it's very helpful. Also there is a Bluetooth का button here, so you can directly transfer stuff to your laptop or your mobile phone if you want to. There's a little tripod mount over here, the basic one that's always there. And this is what the lens looks like. इसके अलावा इसके साथ इसका obviously एक battery charger आता है. So that's that, and it has an Indian charging plug. और इसके साथ मुझे एक केस भी मिला था, so that was also inclusive of the price, which is a nice cute little compact case. इसके साथ ये भी आया था string जो मैंने already attach कर दिया है. और इसके साथ इनबिल्ट मुझे मिला था एक 16 GB का मेमोरी कार्ड, here, जो आई फील मेरे ट्रैवल शूट्स के लिए बहुत ही कम मेमोरी है, ये बहुत ही जल्दी ये तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा जस्ट इन अ फ्यू शॉट्स. सो ऑब्वियसली आई एम गोइंग टू अपग्रेड दिस and get myself another maybe a 128 GB or a 256 GB ka memory card, but other than that this is what it came along with. So yeah, well, so that was it. It was pretty genuine. आप लोगों ने भी देखा इसे मुझे unbox करते हुए तो नहीं, but all the things that were there in the box of the camera, it was pretty genuine. Everything is as it is supposed to be, and I managed to get this crazy deal. 28,000 में I got the camera, which was actually a 40,000 का market price. It was really crazy. It was a steal deal. I don't know अगर आप लोगों को ये deal कभी वापस मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, but if you do get, if you are also looking out for this camera or anything in a similar range, then probably just keep checking on Flipkart, and you never know, you might also get a crazy deal and it might just be your lucky day like it was mine. Okay, तो मैं अपने गार्डन में आई हूँ नीचे ही, building के garden में, just to kind of test a few features of this camera and just like to do like a very quick review to show you guys a few very important features that I feel should be highlighted. So the first feature that I'd like to talk about is the autofocus, which I think is really cool with this camera. Let's check it out with me and with like some objects over here. Okay, so yeah. This is just showing you a background, and then just look at how quick it focuses on my face. There. How cool is that, right? Okay. The only thing is the flip screen. I'm sort of not very used to a flip screen, so I kind of keep looking up at the flip screen instead of looking here. And I understand that for you guys as viewers, it must be really disturbing when I keep looking between here and here and here. जब मेरी आँखें ऊपर जाती रहती है, but I'll pretty much get a hang of that soon. So the second feature is the blurring of the background, which also I think is pretty cool. So I've got to just click on my face on the screen, which is right here, and it sort of gives like a blurry effect. You can increase the blurry effect or decrease it as per your liking, and I think this is a really good feature because बहुत सारे बड़े cameras में, DSLRs में, you have to pay a big huge amount to invest in a lens which is able to do that, which is able to blur the background, but इसमें inbuilt ही है. So I think that is a really cool feature as well. I really feel like a tech reviewer doing this, and I'm not a tech reviewer, but it's just that I really love I really love cameras, and I really love mobile phones, and basically anything and everything that you can use to shoot and create content with is something that interests me a lot. So yeah, I'm having fun doing this. I hope you guys are also having fun watching this, because if you are, please hit a like button on this video. So another one thing that I was a little worried about was the field of view. तो field of view basically होता है ये जो आप frame दिख रहे हो, कितना और क्या आप मेरे इस frame में देख पा रहे हो. And this I was a little worried about because I have been using a GoPro so far, और GoPro तो बना ही होता है एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा wide field of view के लिए. तो उसमें से एक कैमरा, नॉर्मल कैमरा पे शिफ्ट होना थोड़ा, आई वॉज अ लिटिल वरीसम फॉर मी, बट लकीली आई रियली लव द फील्ड ऑफ व्यू दैट दिस कैमरा गिव्स मी. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल वरीड अबाउट इट बीइंग सिंच्ड और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. फिलहाल मैंने मेरा गोरिल्ला पॉड इस पे लगाया हुआ, एंड आई हैवंट इवन एक्सटेंडेड माई आर्म. सो इफ आई एक्सटेंड माई आर्म इट कैन गो टू दिस वाइड, but even otherwise I feel this is pretty normal. And with the GoPro's extra wide field of view, थोड़ा unnatural लगने लगता है I feel, especially जब आप ऐसे vlog कर रहे हो, like when you are speaking to the camera, थोड़ा unnatural लगता है क्योंकि it kind of gives you that circular look towards the edges of the frame, whereas with a camera like this I feel this is much more natural. Of course for a GoPro that wide field of view is really useful जब आप landscapes shoot कर रहे हो या बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल जगह में हो और आप वो दिखाना चाह रहे हो, then of course that comes in handy. But I think for vlogging this field of view is just perfect. So the next feature is the stabilization mode, एंड आई एम pretty impressed with the stabilization of this camera. तो basically ये जो कैमरा है Canon G7X Mark II, this falls under the category of compact cameras. तो as it is इसका body weight इतना नहीं होता as compared to like a bigger camera like a DSLR or something. तो anyway इसका stabilization is good, but इसका inbuilt stabilization is also pretty good. फिलहाल मैंने इसे सिर्फ standard पे रखा हुआ है क्योंकि मैं I'm just walking around, not doing like any action activity or running or anything. But आप इसको high पर भी set कर सकते हैं and it gives like a very very crisp and finished shot. You do not have to worry about shaky shots at all. So in all, I must say I am super impressed with this camera. At the price that I am paying, मुझे सारे ही वो features मिल रहे जो मुझे एक vlogging camera में चाहिए. And of course I'll have to play around a little more with some of the features that the camera has to kind of get a better quality video. But so far I am super impressed with this camera. Baki, I think I'm just gonna walk around the garden a little bit more and get some B-roll shots, and then let's see how that goes. शायद अगर आप मुझे फॉलो करते आ रहे हो तो आपने मेरे पहले के व्लॉग्स देखे होंगे और ये अभी आप देख रहे हो. सो द व्लॉग्स दैट आई हैव शॉट बिफोर, ऑल माय ट्रैवल व्लॉग, आई हैव शॉट देम पार्टली ऑन अ GoPro and partly on my iPhone. And no doubt both of them had an excellent quality. The GoPro and the iPhone both had excellent quality, but the issue with the GoPro is that it has major overheating issues, जिसकी वजह से when I'm usually traveling like in a very hot place or something like that, if it's generally also just a sunny day, the GoPro just won't start. मतलब it will refuse to start. उसको गर्मी पसंद ही नहीं है, तो उसको पहले कूल डाउन करना पड़ता है या तो फिर AC के सामने थोड़ा देर रखना पड़ता है, तो 2 मिनट के लिए it will start and then again it will die down. So I feel like the GoPro is a great add-on for me along with the camera that I have, because I can use that for certain shots that I really want to get a wide good angle of. But that can be an add-on, not like a complete camera. And the issue with the iPhone, of course, is one, definitely has to be battery. It drains really quickly if you're shooting on the go. Second is storage, because if you have an iPhone, you know this, there are major storage issues. And the third major issue with the iPhone was footage transfer. If you are a content creator, if you are a long format content creator and you create videos very regularly, you will know footage transfer is a huge deal. It is a very big deal, guys. एक तो उसका time इतना लगता है, and there is a lot of hassle if you have an iPhone and a Windows का laptop. I do have a MacBook, but I don't know, I just somehow don't use my MacBook. I edit and do all of my post production on my Windows laptop only. So मेरे लिए वो सब ट्रांसफरिंग का बहुत इशू हो जाता है. समटाइम्स इट ट्रांसफर्स हाफ, समटाइम्स इट डजंट ट्रांसफर, समटाइम्स द फॉर्मेट इज नॉट पिक्ड अप बाय प्रीमियर प्रो. ये सारे बहुत अलग अलग इश्यूज होते हैं. सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड आई फाइनली got this camera in which I will be able to shoot hassle free, and I love the quality. It is amazing quality, even for stills. Of course, this camera is very good for the videos, but iske still images be not bad, they're pretty good. So, and the reason why I got a Mark II and not a Mark III is because Mark II और 3 में इतना ज़्यादा ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क नहीं था, but price में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क था. So might as well go for the G7X Mark II, and it had every single thing that I was looking in a vlogging camera. So I said, why not? Yeah, that's a major update of my life of recent of buying this new camera. So all the vlogs you will see henceforth on this channel will be shot on the Canon G7X Mark II. और हाँ, ये मैंने अपने पैसों से खरीदा है. This is not a promotional video, so I'm not promoting the brand or anything like that. I genuinely love the product now that I've bought it, tested and tried. And yeah, in fact I even wanted to shoot my entire वैक्सीनेशन का एक्सपीरियंस, बट तब तक ये कैमरा आया नहीं था एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग ओनली विद दिस कैमरा, तो मैं इसका इंतज़ार कर रही थी। अब जब ये आ चुका है देन देयर इज़ नो स्टॉपिंग मी, नाउ देयर इज़ नो स्टॉपिंग मी। वेल फ्यू मोर थिंग्स, इसकी कुछ मैंने इसका मेमोरी कार्ड एक मंगवाया है और इसका एक और मिनी ट्राइपॉड जो आता है वो मैंने मंगवाया है। फिलहाल आई हैव लाइक अ टॉल गोरिल्ला पॉड जिससे मैं शूट करती हूँ, बट I'm not very comfortable using that. I want to have like that compact, tiny, expandable mini pod जो मैंने मंगवाया है. So that will be here in a few days' time, and then we are ready to go. I have a lot of content that now I have written down that I want to be shooting. So stay tuned. अगर आपको ये vlogs देखना पसंद है तो stay tuned. Well, other than that, how have you guys been? Let me know in the comments below. Let's chat. I always love chatting and reading your comments and chatting with you guys. Let me know what's been the update with you guys' life. This has been a lot about me, but मुझे बताओ क्या चल रहा है अभी तो. If you guys are also in Mumbai, then monsoon is here. It hopefully I will start by the end of this month, which I will start doing all my outdoor shoots. I have a lot of stuff planned, so stay tuned. बहुत सारे travel shoots आने वाले हैं. I have already taken my first dose of Covishield. That is also another update that happened. More, if you guys want to know more about my experience of taking Covishield, if you haven't taken and if you're wondering what it's like, how it's like, so do let me know in the comments below. I can probably do a quick vlog on that as well. I have some shots from the day I'd gone, not enough shots, but I have few shots from the day I went to get my shot. Well, it wasn't a very pleasant experience for me, so in case you want to know what happened, what were the after effects and so on, let me know in the comments. तो मैं उसके ऊपर एक quick vlog बनाऊंगी to let you guys know. But since I've got vaccinated, since things are getting a little relaxed in terms of the whole lockdown opening in phases, I'm going to be starting all my travel shoots as well. So stay tuned and keep subscribed if you haven't. A lot of travel content coming you guys this way. और अब तो बारिश का भी मौसम है, like we just spoke. So the landscapes are going to be even more beautiful. It's going to be doubled. There's going to be lush greenery everywhere. And as we speak, बारिश होना शुरू हो गया. Well, these have been some of the updates of my life of recent. I would love to know what are the updates in you guys' life. Please let me know in the comments below or on my Instagram. If you guys still don't follow me, it's @jinal.inamdar on Instagram, so you can go follow me there. In this lockdown also, so many of you subscribed and shown me so much love. Thank you so much to all of you for that. I especially wanted to take this time out in this vlog to tell you guys thank you so much for subscribing to Talk and Travel. I promise you there's going to be a lot of amazing content coming your way, and yeah, if you've been a follower of Talk and Travel for a while, let me know about the quality of this video as compared to my earlier videos. आपको क्या difference लग रहा है? Is it looking better? Is it looking not better? Any suggestions you guys have, please do let me know. And I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye.